Hello, teacher. My name is Nidia Joana Garcia, student of fourth semester in the UPTC Tuitama, student professional commercial and financial technician. My family is formed by my son, my husband, my mom, my brothers, and my nephew. We are all Colombians. We were born in the Duitama, Boyacá. My son is Angelo Suarez, is a student in the presentation school. This year, he graduation from 9. Angelo turning 15 today. I am very happy and proud. Enjoy riding a bike, listen electronic music, and playing basketball. My husband is teacher in the UPTC Duitama and SAP Tunja. He is an advisor in the municipality in the department of Meta and travels every fortnight. My mom is Amelia Galindo. I am very proud for her. She is a great woman, enterprising. She has a car accessories business. She is the heart of my family. My sister is Nancy. She is mother of nephew Christopher Steven. This month she graduates as the account worked very hard to achieve.